Hi everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am so excited to be back with my good friend Amara of David Weekley Homes, and we are in one of her 2 model homes here at Reflections at Seabrook. Thank you so much for having us.
Oh, you're welcome. We're happy to be here. I'm thrilled to show you our stunning Seahorse plan today. This one's definitely not going to disappoint. It's just shy of 2,400 square feet, and it's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and you'll see a little bit later in the video the stunning sunroom addition.
Reflections at Seabrook is Nocatee's 50th and final new construction community. So you need to come out here ASAP because guys, 94% sold out.
That's
so
right.
David Weekley Homes does have some quick move-ins available that Amara and her team will talk to you about, but you've got to come to Reflections at Seabrook to see this beautiful floor plan along with the other floor plans available by David Weekley Homes.
Take a look at this kitchen, Heather. So this is a gourmet style kitchen, and you'll find that each of our quick move-in homes has a similar setup, and of course options and design features vary, but you get the microwave in the wall and the wall oven as well, and the gorgeous cooktop.
And I love cabinets to the ceiling. And this again is an option at the very top, and I know Carling already showed it, but you could do also the glass cabinets, which is beautiful, or you could do solid, but plenty of storage in this home. And it feels so much bigger than 2,400 square feet. I mean, when you say that, I was like, no way.
Right, and that's part of David
It really
Weekley's
feels bigger.
life design concept, and you'll see, as you're seeing right now, all of these beautiful windows provide natural lighting, which really opens up the space.
Okay, I love this little side area because we're not in the back of the home, guys. We're on the side.
So this is a unique feature of our Seahorse model. It's exclusive to this floor plan, and it is a side lanai area. So you have this extra covered area that you can keep as is, or you could extend like you see here. And it's a fantastic place to have your morning coffee, or if you're entertaining, you can open up this space to have that indoor-outdoor feel.
But you're right off the kitchen area and the eating area, so I exactly to that point, I love that indoor-outdoor feel of this particular David Weekley floor plan. And then coming into here, it's like we're going into different rooms, but yet we're not. But by putting that half wall right there, it's a separated space, which I love, but yet I'm in the one large living space.
Yeah, this floor plan is very special for that reason, for the fact that it's open but still has its own designated areas to make it feel cozy.
Right, and if you do have, let's say, kids moving in this house, they would feel private in their own area. If you were, for example, cooking in the kitchen, you're in, entertaining in that space. I love this seated area right here.
So this is our sunroom feature, and it is an included feature for this floor plan.
And I was just having Carling pan up.
This cathedral ceiling brings height and light into the room, into the space. And again, this is an included area on this home.
And you told me earlier you are building this as a quick move-in, right?
Right, we have several quick move-in options. We also have options to build this from scratch if you'd like.
So I want to remind people, David Weekley Homes, thank you so much, first of all. They have lots of quick move-ins available because so many of you are ready to move to Nocatee now, ready to be a part of that Nocatee lifestyle. So whether you need something in the next 30 days or even 6 months, Amara is able to tell you what floor plans they are building here in the Seabrook collection, and in turn you will be here by the summer, really.
Yes, and speaking of Nocatee lifestyle, you just saw the beautiful outdoor area. This is just one example of some custom features that we can build into the home for you.
And now we're walking into the primary bedroom.
Yes, this is our owner's retreat. I love the location of this home because it's at the back corner.
Yes.
So it's offset from the main living areas and provides some privacy.
And again, though, look at just the natural light coming in. The tray ceiling is beautiful.
Yep,
it's a thicker tray.
Yep, custom details in this one.
And then, of course, let's go to the spa retreat. David Weekley Homes. I always love seeing what you guys are going to do.
We have an
Double
extra large
sinks.
vanity with double
Yes.
sinks, and of course a David Weekley signature super shower.
And plenty of space, by the way, in between. You're not feeling like tight. So if somebody's, for example, brushing their teeth, another person is here in the shower, nobody is touching each other in each other's space, which is really nice.
Very comfortable flow to this owner's bath.
And then you've got, of course, a nice size closet in the back of the space. And you know what? I know, in a lot of your models, you get doors off, but I wouldn't put a door or anything there. I like that it's just all open.
Yes, the door is optional, but leaving it open provides that seamless flow to the back of the owner's bath.
It really does. And Carlin, keep backing out because I actually want you to now pan to the front door, because this is something I love. I love that the laundry room is right off this space. Because how many times, guys, are you wanting to just kind of check yourself out from the rest of the family, but hey, you want to finish some laundry? I like that you can come to your own end of the home, your own space. You're not disturbing the rest of your family, for example, in the kitchen or the front part of the home.
It's a very thoughtful design and location.
And nice size.
Yes, great size. It's got everything you need. You've got the countertop and the cabinetry as well.
Yeah, lots and lots of space. So I can't wait for you. Of course, seeing it in person always makes such a difference, but this is a terrific floor plan. I want to remind you, go to Nocatee.com, click on the neighborhood tab, scroll down to Reflections at Seabrook, and then it'll click Find My Home. You will see this floor plan along with the other floor plans that David Weekley Homes is offering. And of course, I mentioned the Seabrook collection because Reflections is a part of that. And Reflections is going to have opening definitely before the summer a greenway trail, so you'll actually be one of the closest communities to the amenity complex. Carling just showed, I thank you, Carling, for showing that, the half bath. It's almost something like you'd miss it, but there is a half bath under the stairs, beautifully designed. I love the attention to detail that this beautiful stairwell is showing.
This is one of the customizations you can make in our design center, which is local to Nocatee.
That's right. Your design center is located near the Nocatee Town Center, so I do love that your buyers are able to go there, and then they can pop over to the Welcome Center and take a tour of the Splash Water Park and hear about all the events that they will get to partake in once they close on their David Weekley home. Okay, love this. Carling just showed a great open loft space.
With, again, lots of windows for natural light.
And then how many bedroom? We've got 2 full bedrooms up here.
2 full bedrooms up here and 1 full bath with double sinks.
Love that. So again, depending on your life stage, this area could be a guest suite. It could be where the kids are. I will say this comment. If you have kids and you're buying this floor plan, I love that all their junk, and we're going to call it junk, guys, their stuff is upstairs. So you can keep the downstairs just beautiful, nice, entertaining, but then upstairs is really their zone.
Yes, it's wonderful to have that option for separation.
I love this. And then again, look, just showing different options, what you can do. And I want to remind people, we mentioned Seabrook collection has Seabrook Park. So guys, if you move down to this collection, you are closer to the newest, the 4th and final. We call it satellite pool, but Seabrook Park has a over 7,000 square foot pool. One of my favorite dog parks now, and yes, I'm saying it, it's the best dog park, and kids playground. So check out the video we did of Seabrook Park also on the Walkthrough Wednesday channel. So you've got to call Amara today. This David Weekley home and the rest of these homes are going to sell quickly. Again, Nocatee's 94% sold out, so come be a part of the Nocatee family, and thanks for watching.
Thanks, bye.